everyone, I'm Patty Behan, and thank you for joining me in the studio today for our Card Making 101 series. Today we're going to talk about the different card sizes, and just as important to mention is how you fold your card that makes all the difference. Let's break it down to show you what a top fold is, a side fold, portrait, and landscape, and there's so many things you could do, so I'll tell you all you need to know. So let's get started. As you can see, I have a variety of different card sizes here, and I'm going to go through them and tell you the differences. And starting with the most popular first, that's the A2 card size, and that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And it could be top folding, where it opens like so, or side folding, where it opens like that. And then another term you should be familiar with is portrait or landscape. Portrait means that your card is taller than it is wide, and landscape is the opposite. It is wider than it is tall. Okay, so that's our A2 size. This is the most common size of card that you'll see. And then next we have the 5 by 7 card. It's made big for special occasions. People use this size for invitations, and when you have a big message that you want to put on here, it's 5 inches wide and 7 inches on the side. And again, it can be side folding, or you can make it top folding. And for the more trendy card making, we have our slimline cards. So slimline is 3 1/2 by 8 1/2, and also it's the same. You can open it this way, or you can design it to open this way. And then we have a mini slimline. It's 3 1/4 by 6 1/4, and again, you can have it in any orientation that you wish. Okay, and then we have square cards. Starting off, the most popular square card is our 5 by 5. So it's 5 inches this way and 5 inches lengthwise. And you can have it any orientation as well. And then this is a 6 by 6, and it's 6 inches wide and 6 inches tall. And the same as before, design it either way. So there you have it, whether you're going with the classic A2 size or a 5 by 7, your trendy cards, or a square card. These are all the different sizes that you can create, or you can make up your own size. So up next is the moment you've been waiting for. We're making our very first card and doing it 3 ways. So we'll start simple and step things up with each version. It's like a crafty glow up. So hit that subscribe button and let's make some card making magic together.